summer we just had in Australia was devastating. Over 12 million hectares of forest burned, over 1 billion animals were destroyed, over 40% of the population of koalas in New South Wales was destroyed. We need to understand what's left there so we know how to manage it the best possible way. We need to cover a lot of ground and we need to cover it quickly. And for that, drones are perfect. And because we're catching the heat signature of the animals, we can take that back and process it with artificial intelligence algorithms. And we need to ramp this up. We need to amplify it and get out to all of those affected places in Australia. What we want to do is create a strike team from QUT to go down with the drone to help the people in the area and train them in what to do. Then they'll be able to send us the data and we can process it. So this is incredibly exciting, and it's an opportunity for people to help out in their own backyard to find out what's there so that we understand. Australians were incredibly generous. In the aftermath of the fire, they gave millions and millions of dollars. And that helped out the fireys, who were wonderful, and it helped out a lot of people who lost their homes, and a lot of other organisations as well. We need to think about how to fund the long-term recovery. So the animals that were injured may have been helped, but now we need to think about the survivors. What about the ones that are left out there now? This work is so vital, and it can't be done without your help.